I'm going to have to be quick today. I've got 10% battery left. So it's day number 19 already. I'm feeling festive and red. I'm sure I haven't wore this already, because if I have, I will kick myself. I'm trying to make it my mission to wear a different top every day of December for doing these advent calendars. So we'll quickly bash on anyway to the number 7 beauty advent calendar, 25 days of beauty. I really enjoyed this. This was a gift from a really good friend, but I really enjoyed this. Both of them were, and I know I'm really lucky, really spoiled. Day number 19, it's a big one. I normally show you where the days are, so there we go there, day number 19, and it is a Boots number 7. It's not even, don't see Boots on it, it's just number 7. Instant results, revitalising peel-off mask. Peel to reveal radiant, smooth and healthy looking skin. And it says brightening action. Suitable for sensitive skin. So I am looking forward to trying that. I might do that on Boxing Day or Christmas night, see how I feel. I might do a wee video on it actually, because I did a video of the other Boots that's actually in here, mask, and that seemed to be quite popular. So yeah, it's a fantastic brand. I'm looking forward to trying that. That'll come in handy. As I say, I don't drink very much. Well, some people might say that's a lie, but my husband doesn't drink. He only drinks when we go out socially, and that's like once a year. And of course, during COVID, there's been no kind of real celebrations. We've got a wedding next year, and we're really hoping that that goes ahead for our friends. The kind of hen do and stag do's have had to be cancelled for this year, which is a shame, but their wedding's not until September next year, so I'm really hoping that, given that it's September next year, it can go ahead. But that's the only time Steve drinks: parties, weddings, christenings. But sometimes, I say, if it was a christening, he'd probably take his car. So if it was somewhere way out of the way, he would take his car. But so he drinks about once or twice a year. So it's not a bad thing. I've always got a chauffeur. So yeah, I don't tend to drink in the house on my own. And COVID's kind of, I've had a couple of drinks during Zoom calls, which has been quite fun. But I'd normally have my sister and my friends over, and they've not even come over to see the house. They've seen it briefly, but I was like, one of my friends hasn't seen it at all, because it's like 2 buses for her. So I was like, oh, you can come and stay, and then COVID happened. So anyway, day number 19. Now, this might be the day that my friend's missing. It was 18 or 19, I can't remember. But I feel really bad. But she'd said to me, as long as like you've got your days, that's all she was bothered about. But this is amazing. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag. Wow, I'm keeping this, even though it might make my eyes water. Wow. Now, this is kind of, both the advent calendars have been fantastic, but this has kind of been great for trying different brands as well. But the number 7 one, I absolutely love the skincare. Number 7, I love number 7. It's usually some, you know, not gonna lie, it's not always the cheapest, but I really do like the quality. Anastasia Beverly Hills, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Now, it's not a full size, but it's kind of a really good size. It's not like the small samples. So yeah, if I could tell you, there's 5 mils, but look at the packaging. So yeah. Day number 19. So I'm looking forward to doing a makeup look with the advent calendar, seeing what I get actually. It might need to do a mixture of 2 advent calendars to see what I can get from both of them, but I'll do a day 1 to 25 video on each of them, and then we can see what we can do with the advent calendars. So that was day number 19. Oh my gosh, I'm so pleased. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye.